I'm going to tell you a little bit about our majors that we have at Kent State Trumbull. There are majors that students can complete fully at our campus, and they can also start any of Kent State's majors with us. If we don't have the whole thing, they can just easily transition to another campus to finish that degree. As you can see on the slide, these are the majors that we offer fully at Kent State Trumbull. And we have bachelor's degrees and associate degrees. For the bachelor's degrees, the business management, this degree covers all aspects of business from accounting, marketing, management, and other areas within business. So students will have a wide range of knowledge when they graduate. And we also have an associate degree in the business management tech as well. Communication studies, we offer the applied communication concentration, and that gives students a background in everything from public speaking to communication campaigns for businesses. So it covers the whole gamut of communication. Criminology and justice, this is a popular program for students who want to study the justice system and crime and law. And we also offer the associate degree in this as well. English, this major covers writing, literature, critical thinking, IT. This is our computer-related bachelor's degree, and it's offered fully online or a combination of online and on campus. And students can choose from different concentrations within that, depending on what their career goals are. Integrative Studies, this is a degree that students can personalize and create their own major. Nursing, the nursing program is one of our selective majors, and students have to apply separately to nursing and be accepted. The nursing graduates constantly have high pass rates on their boards. It's a great program. And we also have a brand new nursing lab, which is amazing. Hopefully sometime you'll get a chance to see it in person. It's just like walking into a real hospital. Psychology, this program's popular if students want to study human behavior and development. Technical and applied studies, this is another degree that students have the opportunity to personalize to fit their career goals, or there also are concentrations within this degree in applied business, fraud examination, and nonprofit human services. And this is another one that's also offered fully online or in person. Theater, this is a fairly new program for us at Trumbull, and we have the theater and society concentration of the theater studies major. And students get to participate in all the aspects of a play, from the backstage to on stage and everything in between. For the associate degrees, there are online or in-person options for almost all of these associate degrees, depending on what the student's need is. For accounting, this is a great option for students who want to work in the accounting field. Business management tech and the criminology, I mentioned these with the bachelor's degrees, and these are the associate degree options for those. And they work well if a student wants to start with an associate degree and then go on to earn the bachelor's, or they can just do the associate degree on its own. Cybersecurity, this is one of our new programs. This will be starting in fall of 21, so this coming fall. And it's definitely one that is much needed with all the data breaches and identity theft we keep hearing about. This will help students be able to fix those security issues. And this one will also be online or a hybrid online in-person major. The electrical engineering tech, this major focuses on digital and electronic systems. The general associate and the individualized program, these are programs that students can create to fit their needs. And students can earn credit toward the individualized program with a trade certification. So one of the ways that students can get credit toward the individualized program is through articulation agreements. And we have articulation agreements, for example, with career and technical centers cosmetology programs, and programs like Casals and Raphael's. And once they complete their certification, in this case, their cosmetology licensure, they can apply to have their cosmetology credit evaluated, and it will count toward their associate degree. And then they can use those credits and take additional classes to complete that associate for the individualized program. The IT, this is our computer-related associate degree, and there are different concentrations in this one as well to choose from, depending on the student's career goals. The office tech, with this major, students can either focus on general office tech or medical billing and coding. Vet tech, this is another one of our degrees that does, or one of our associate degrees that does not have an online option. Since there's a lot of hands-on labs and working directly with the animals, it's hard to do that one online. And it's one of our selective programs that students have to apply for and get accepted. And our students in this program also do great every year. And this year, our vet tech students had a 100% pass rate on their national exams. So that's something that we're really proud of our students for that 100% pass rate. We also have minor options, and these are great to add if a student wants more study in a certain area. And then we have 2 certificates. Addictions counseling, that's another new one that we added last fall. And with this certificate, students are eligible for licensure as a chemical dependency counselor. And one of the great things about this certificate is that after students complete just the first course, they can apply for the chemical dependency counselor assistant credential, and they can actually work in the field with just 1 course completed. And we also have the Peace Officers Training Academy. This is a program to train students to become law enforcement officers. And it's a selective program that has its own qualification process. The academy credits will apply toward the associate degree in criminology and justice studies if students decide they want to go on and earn that degree after they earn that certificate. Students do have to be 20 years old to apply to the police academy. So some students decide to start the associate degree while they wait to qualify for the academy. Most students coming right out of high school, they need to wait a few years, so they go ahead and get that associate degree started and then finish the academy.